Hi guys, now welcome back to today's video, and in this video we're talking about a software that can make you is an handy service, a platform that you can use it to hire handy personnel, people, for example, people that are in line with cleaning services, plumbing services, any work services. So this is a platform that can help you do that, so you can compile all of those services in a one place. So like I said, you can get any tasks done, so you can have this set up for yourself, or for maybe in terms of setting up for the business. So have people that have different type of services on this platform, and they will pay you using SaaS. They can pay you for subscription, they can pay you monthly just to get clients. For example, now setting up electronics services, setting up cleaning services, setting up home shifting, cleaning, setting up painting, salon, spa, guidance. So a lot of services. So you can integrate all of that in this platform. Like I said, this is a one-time payment for lifetime access. You can earn money from this. So now this comes with a web platform. It comes with a buyer-seller app. It comes with admin dashboard where you control all of them, and it comes with seller platform. Seller in the sense that the person that is doing the service, that is doing the service, you understand. So now I'm going to I'll show you a walkthrough of the demo of the dashboard, how it looks like, so that you can set it up. If you want to set it up for yourself, contact me via details on the screen, and I get it done for you for 8 hours for affordable fee. Don't forget, it's a one-time payment for a lifetime access. Now here's the dashboard. As you can see, for example, if you have an admin, you can set admin. You have total sellers, total buyer. Seller is the people doing the handy service. Buyer is people interested in the handy service. So you can also regulate all of the earnings that you have made. So don't forget, I'm going to set in the pricing, setting everything for you, do the full setup for you. So I am via the details on the screen to get it done for want to say for a business. So you can also track orders, track everything, track payouts. When the seller wants to withdraw their fee, their money, it's also easy. So once a payment system is integrated, it handles everything. Now, as you can see, it has option for live chat. Yeah, it has option for add-on in the sense that if you want to extend to other features, like what this software has, it has option for other features like an add-on. Yeah, so it's also integrated like subscription add-on, jobs add-on, wallet add-on. So if you want to set a wallet for sellers and buyer, you can get an add-on for that. Don't forget, I be said that as well. If you want to get subscription option, that's an add-on. Live chat as an add-on. So it's also integrated. It also work for all of this software. So now let's scroll down to see what it entails. WhatsApp settings, admin role assigned to people, users, people that are managing the website, blogs. This is the blogs. You want to 10 things to know about our website, what we do, services you offer. That is the blog. Mobile settings, for the app, that's the mobile settings. Categories are these type of services you want to set. These are categories. So you can add as many listen for people. So yeah, that is for that subcategory as well, which is sub. If it's cleaning, what type of cleaning is a subcategory, it is like that. So there categories, brands are sellers, that is brand, they are sellers. So service country, it works with all the country. So each seller, you can set the country and the city. So for example, if a buyer is searching for a painter in a particular country and a particular city, they can search for it. So every seller that goes on this platform has his own country and city. Yes, you can have like maybe 1 million painter in a particular city. So anyone that is close to the buyer, the person will reach out to that person. Okay, go to the platform, and for example, I want this painter is close to my city. I can place an order. I need your service. Come and render it for me. So that's what it means. It's just like ordering for service, buyer ordering for service, and seller delivering the service. So this is a platform for that. So it also you can fix in the tax, admin service, everything. It has everything: orders, stock report, ticketing, seller settings. Everything is a form builder and apparel settings, other pages, notice, general settings where you set in your logo, brand name. It is SFTP when you want to send notification to seller or buyer. Maybe there's a discount for the seller if the subscription packages have changed. SMTP will set it for you so that all those messages can go to their emails or phone number. So that is for that. So if you want to set it up for a business, let me in the comment section, drop chat me up via the details on the screen, and like this video, share this video. And don't forget, this is a one-time payment for lifetime access at 24 hours. So I see you in my next video. You be blessed, like, comment away. Bye.